In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make intros and outros for your YouTube videos and a bunch of other projects for free, no skill required. So this website is called Panzoid, and people that know how to edit and do cool stuff, they just upload their projects for free and you can customize them and use them on your own videos. I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to scroll down to one that I saw that I liked earlier, and for example this one. Basically you just scroll until you find a project that you like, and then you click here where it says open clip maker. Once you open the project, you can hit play to see how it goes. It's like a 3D thing that you can edit later on. You can move it around and see how it all goes. But let's go straight to what I want to show you. For example, if I want to edit the text, it says your name, right? I want to edit the text and put the name of my channel in there. So I'm going to click this little cube and I'm going to edit the text for this one. So I'm going to click in text where it says your. I wanted to have my channel name, so no intro. I'm going to hit enter, boom. And then you see I got to edit the second part as well because it's all effed up. So no intro, enter. There you go. So now we have both. Now we go to the one below where it says name, and then we do the same. Tutorials. I'm gonna copy it and enter, and then you see that it has the same thing again. So we go below, copy. I'm gonna paste, Control V, tutorials, and then enter. And now you see that it has the name of my channel. Zoom out. I don't know what I did. Anyways, now I'm gonna hit play. And you see that it's got that cool thing. I think I effed it up somehow, but anyways, this is just for demonstration purposes. So now that I have edited it, I'm going to click the download button here on the left, download, and you don't need to choose anything, maybe the format if you're into that, but I'm just gonna leave it as MKV. Apparently they don't have MP4. I can convert it to MP4 later on. I'm gonna hit start video renderer, and it's going to start rendering my video. It's gonna take a few seconds, so I'm just gonna speed it up. So after it finishes downloading, I'm gonna hit download your video. It's gonna open a new tab, and it downloaded my video. So I'm gonna open it from right here, click. That is a dope intro. And it's kind of ironic because I don't do intros, but some people do, some people like them. And this one is actually pretty dope, and it took me literally seconds to make. So I feel like this is an awesome tool for people that make videos like me. So hopefully you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends. Stay safe out there.